Welcome to Amsterdam Central Station, the beating heart of the Netherlands capital. This iconic landmark isn't just a transportation hub, it's a gateway to Amsterdam's rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking canals. Opened in 1889, this stunning neo-Renaissance style station was designed by Dutch architect Petrus Kuipers, the same genius behind the Rijksmuseum. With its grand red brick facade, towering spires, and intricate details, Amsterdam Central Station is more than just a train station. It's a masterpiece of 19th century architecture. Today, this station is one of the busiest in Europe, serving over 250,000 passengers daily. Whether you're catching a train, hopping on a tram, or cruising along the canals, everything begins right here. Step outside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by Amsterdam's most famous attractions. The free ferries behind the station take you across the IJ River to Amsterdam Noord, a trendy district known for its street art, cool cafes, and the iconic Edam Lookout Tower. Walk straight ahead, and you'll hit Damrak, the city's lively main street lined with charming canals, old merchant houses, and must-visit spots like the Red Light District, the historic Dam Square, and the world-famous Anne Frank House just a few minutes away. Amsterdam is also known as the bicycle capital of the world, and just outside the station, you'll see a sea of bikes, a true symbol of Dutch life. So, whether you're arriving in Amsterdam or just passing through, Amsterdam Central Station is the perfect place to start your journey. From historic landmarks to hidden gems, this area has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel videos.